remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Wednesday, the first to welcome you to Phoenix, Arizona. The local time is 6:23. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off and we make our final stop in the gate area. Don't forget to check around your seat, check in the seat baggage, on the floor, all around your seat. We don't want you to leave behind chargers, cell phones, tablets, earbuds. Anything that you want to keep, please pick it up at this time. Be cautious when you open the overhead compartment, because items may have shifted during your flight. You may now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate. If you are making a connection, please check the monitor throughout the terminal for the most up-to-date gate information, or go to aa.com on your phone and do AA and the flight number, and it should give you up-to-date information. We know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying here in Phoenix or just passing through, we want to thank you for choosing American Airlines to be part of your journey today. Thank you and have a wonderful night.
Exactly.